Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can uninstall Windows updates or how you can roll back the updates for Microsoft Windows. So if you find that the updates on your Windows computer slow down your computer and you don't like with it, you can just uninstall it by following these steps. So you can just click on the Windows button here and you can go to the settings on your Windows computer, and there will be this Windows update on the left panel. Now you can just see in here, this is the Windows update, and here you can just click on the update history and you'll find there will be this uninstall updates option. So tap on that, and here there are two updates on my computer, and if you want to uninstall one of them, here you can just click on uninstall, and here this update and its related info will be uninstalled. If you are sure and confirm, you can just click on this uninstall, and after that your Windows update will be rolled back. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.